So today we are going to discuss about the difference between share market and mutual fund. The difference between share market versus mutual fund. So what is all about? Firstly, we will say mutual fund. Okay. So firstly, if we talk about the meaning means, if we understand in terms of meaning, then what is share market? Share market means a platform where investor do not directly interact with company, but investor through its broker makes trading with the company means either buying or either selling the securities. Okay, so this is all about meaning of stock market. But if we talk about mutual fund, the mutual fund is just similar to it and just different to it. It's like mutual fund means a pool of money. A pool of money means collectively money, means we can say that ikattha. Okay, so a pool of money managed by expert. How it managed to through investing on different sectors or different companies. Means on mutual fund your money is going to be invested on different companies, not on single company, but not by your broker, not by your agent, but on a mutual fund company to whom you have decided to go for. Okay, like in India we have many different mutual funds company like ICICI mutual fund, Kotak Bank mutual fund, and Reliance mutual fund, and Tata mutual fund, and many more. So these company, what they did, they collect money from investors like me and you, and then they do not they, instead to invest in only single company, they try to deviate the risk on all other sectors of the company. So this is the meaning of stock market and mutual fund. Now we will talk about risk. So definitely, if from definition of both mutual fund, likely we are very much clear that on mutual fund we are going to invest the amount not on a single company, on different companies. So accordingly the risk will always reduce to minimum in case of mutual fund, because we have invested in different sectors or different company, not a single company. In case of on the other hand, in case of share market, because only on one company the whole amount is involved, so if that company goes into liquidation or goes into loss, then your money is going to be zero, or you are going to lose your money. So yeah, definitely in case of share market risk is high, but in case of mutual fund risk is comparatively low. Okay, now return. If we talk about return, then high return is associated with stock market. Why I am saying? Because in mutual fund you are going to collect a fixed sum. A fixed sum means approximately a 10% or 12% or maybe 15% to 20% on your deposit with mutual fund companies. But in case of share market, you are your own owner. Means whatever money you got from that company to whom you choose to invest, you will get it done after deducting deduction of brokerage commission. You are going to collect your money. But okay, so we can say that more return is associated with share market. Okay, now so accordingly we can definitely say that they are definitely, both are good in terms of risk. Share market is not good, but in terms of share market is good. So everything has its own pros and cons. So accordingly, this is the small video in which we have analyzed what is all about mutual fund and share market. Okay, thank you.